Maya's journey to wisdom. Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a curious young apprentice named Maya. Intrigued by the mysteries of life and driven by a deep desire for wisdom, Maya embarked on a profound journey of self-discovery and personal growth. In the opening chapter of our story, we find Maya sitting by a babbling brook, contemplating the concept of wisdom. As the gentle breeze whispered through the surrounding trees, Maya realized that wisdom was not a destination to be reached but a path to be walked. And so, with an open heart and a determined spirit, Maya set forth on a quest to cultivate wisdom in every aspect of life. Maya understood that cultivating wisdom required a commitment to self-reflection. Like a skilled gardener tending to their plants, Maya diligently examined the landscape of their own thoughts, emotions, and actions. Through introspection, Maya gained insight into their strengths and weaknesses, acknowledging the areas in which growth was needed. With each passing day, Maya embraced the practice of critical thinking. Instead of accepting things at face value, Maya questioned assumptions, sought evidence, and embraced intellectual curiosity. This ability to think deeply and analytically allowed Maya to unravel the complexities of life, uncovering hidden truths and expanding their understanding of the world. But Maya also recognized the importance of open-mindedness. Realizing that wisdom flourished in diverse perspectives, Maya eagerly engaged with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and beliefs. By embracing the richness of varied experiences and perspectives, Maya broadened their own horizons and deepened their understanding of humanity. As Maya continued their journey, they encountered challenges along the way. Life presented difficult choices, unforeseen obstacles, and moments of uncertainty. Yet, through it all, Maya remained steadfast in their pursuit of wisdom. They embraced these challenges as opportunities for growth, learning valuable lessons from every experience. Maya also discovered the power of humility in the cultivation of wisdom. Recognizing that wisdom was not a possession to be hoarded but a gift to be shared, Maya approached each interaction with a humble heart. They listened attentively to the wisdom of others, acknowledging that true learning happened in the spaces of openness and receptivity. Over time, Maya began to witness the transformative power of their journey. Wisdom infused every aspect of their being, guiding their thoughts, words, and actions. Maya's interactions with others became filled with compassion, empathy, and understanding. Their decisions were marked by discernment and a deep sense of responsibility. As the chapter came to a close, Maya stood atop a hill, gazing at the vast expanse before them. They marveled at the journey they had undertaken, the lessons they had learned, and the wisdom they had cultivated. Maya realized that wisdom was not an end point but a lifelong voyage, a continuous process of growth and transformation. Filled with gratitude for the wisdom that had illuminated their path, Maya resolved to continue their journey with renewed vigor. They knew that the pursuit of wisdom was not without its challenges, but they also knew that the rewards far outweighed the obstacles. Maya embraced the lifelong commitment to cultivating wisdom, knowing that it would bring them closer to the essence of their true selves and to a life of purpose and fulfillment. And so, Maya's story continues, with each step along the path of wisdom leading to new insights, profound discoveries, and a deeper connection to the world. They invite others to join them on this transformative journey, for in the cultivation of wisdom lies the key to unlocking the boundless potential within each and every one of us.